This Minecraft-style channel is absolutely crazy. If you look at the videos, the most popular video has reached 106 million views. The second video has 85 million, then 79 million, 52 million, 42 million, and 41 million. This means almost every video here gets millions of views, nothing less. Why? Because this type of niche goes extremely viral. People love it, kids love it, and even adults enjoy it. As you can see on the screen, almost all videos have millions of views, with only a few having thousands. If we talk about subscribers, this channel currently has 3.51 million subscribers with 182 videos. Now if we talk about earnings, this channel is making at least $4.7 billion and around $42K monthly. In the last 30 days, it has gained 11 million views. So guys, first analyze the video you are watching.
He heard a villager crying and stopped instantly. Helping him felt like the right thing to do. But something felt very wrong suddenly. The villager showed him a hidden cave.
After that, the tool I am going to show you today is completely free. As you know, Grok AI has become paid, so we have brought a free alternative that includes Grok AI inside it. So guys, without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to open the master prompt that I have already prepared for you. The name of this master prompt is Minecraft Short Story Video Generation Prompt. First, it explains the main goal, then it includes story guidelines, character creation, and other important sections. Section 1 includes 10 image prompts with scenes. Next, it includes voiceover rules, optimization rules, and video prompts as well. What you have to do is simple. You will find the link in the description, copy it, then go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, you will instantly see that ChatGPT provides you with a complete output design. First, you will get scene, generation, then you will get video prompts along with voiceover lines. So guys, you can see how we generated image prompts and video prompts step by step. Next is the tool that we are going to use today, so do not skip the video. The tool we are using today is called Grok AI. This is a free AI tool and one of the latest AI tools available. First, you need to log in. After logging in, it may show you 14 credits, but you do not need them because this tool is completely free. These credits are just displayed, but everything works for free. As you can see on the screen, if we want to generate videos directly, we can do that. The link will be in the description. At the top, you will see options like Studio, History, Pricing, and Contact. Simply click on Studio. When you click on Studio, you will see the model options, including Grok 3, which is available here for free. This means you do not need to go to the official Grok AI website because this is a completely free AI generator. Here you can generate high-quality videos. After that, you also get an image generator where you can use Nano Banana Pro Image, and Nano Banana 2, which are all available for free and do not require credits. Then you also get a speech tool, which is free, and you can generate speech from here. You also get a dialogue generator, so basically everything is available in one place. This is an all-in-one AI tool. So guys, let's start the process. First, we will do image generation. You need to select the image generation model because Nano Banana sometimes causes issues. Next, scroll down and you will find the image reference option. First, upload your image in the image reference. After that, you need to select the ratio and other settings. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Then paste it here, select the ratio, resolution, and JPG format. Once everything is ready, simply click on Generate. Your first image generation will start and will be ready in a few moments. However, the generated image may not appear instantly, so you need to go to History. Click on the 3 dots, then click on History, and you will see your generated images. As you can see, I have already generated 3 images, and they look beautiful, amazing, and consistent in style. You just need to paste the prompt and click Generate. Similarly, for the 4th image, repeat the same process. Copy the prompt, paste it, and click Generate. It may ask for verification, and after that, the generation will start. One important thing to note is that it generates only one image at a time. Now you can see the 4th image is also being generated and looks very beautiful and consistent. In the same way, repeat this process for all images. Do not change anything, just generate them one by one, and all your images will be ready. Now, the next step is video generation. For video generation, follow the same process, which I will explain next. So guys, now you need to go back to the video, click on Studio, and then click on Video Gen. Once you click, you will see the model Grok. 3. Select this model. Then you need to upload the reference image in the first image section. After that, it's time for the prompt. Copy the first video prompt, then come here and paste it. Select the ratio as 9:16. After that, keep the settings standard, including resolution and other options, and set the duration to 60 seconds so your video can generate faster. Now simply click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first video will start generating. After a short wait, your video will be ready. As you can see, the video generation has started. This AI tool, Grok AI, is completely free right now, and currently it is not under heavy load because not many people know about it yet. That's why I brought this free AI tool for you today. So guys, please do not skip this video because a lot of effort goes into making content like this. Once it shows finalized, simply go to History. In History, you will see your generated video. Preview it.
He heard a villager crying. He heard a villager crying
And you will
stopped
see that your
instantly.
first video is ready and looks beautiful and amazing, even with voiceover generated automatically. It looks super impressive. After that, you need to repeat the same
heard a
process
villager
for all
crying
videos. For example, I generate the second video by uploading the next image reference, then going to ChatGPT, copying the second prompt, coming back here and clicking Generate. As you can see, the second video has also started generating and will be ready shortly. I follow the same process for the third video. When you go into History, you will see your second video is also ready. Preview it.
Helping him felt like the right thing to do. Helping him felt like the right thing to do.
And you will notice how amazing and beautiful it looks with
Helping him
voiceover
felt
and
like the
proper
right-
Minecraft-style characters. Then repeat the same process for all remaining images. Keep uploading images, pasting prompts, and generating videos one by one. So guys, after this, what you need to do is choose a channel name similar to successful Minecraft channels and upload videos daily at minimum. You will start seeing how your videos grow. Also, your channel can get monetized if you use your own voiceover instead of AI voice. So guys, as you have seen, today we created complete videos using a free AI tool, Grok AI, and its link is in the description. You saw how we generated both images and videos for free. So please make sure to like, subscribe, and definitely leave a comment saying thanks. I will see you in the next video.